Ever wondered if the latest smart gadgets are truly worth your money or just clever marketing? Today, we're taking a close look at the Velokee Smart Ring, a product that promises a lot for just $89. Wireless charging, health tracking for heart rate, SPO, sleep monitoring, and a sleek titanium design that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. At first glance, it seems like a bargain, but digging deeper raises a lot of questions. The company behind Velokee is almost impossible to trace. There's no verifiable business address, no independent reviews, and the domain itself was registered very recently, which is unusual for a product claiming years of development. The wireless charging claim is vague. It's unclear how it actually works, and no real technical specs are provided. The health tracking features also leave a lot to be desired. Heart rate and SPO sensors and rings are notoriously difficult to make accurate without rigorous testing. Yet the clinical testing images on their site appear to be stock photos or taken from wholesale catalogs. Pricing and marketing tactics are another point of concern. The advertised 70% off deal feels like a classic high-pressure sales tactic, pushing buyers to make quick decisions without sufficient information. Even within smart ring communities online, there's little to no chatter about Velokee, which is unusual for a new gadget claiming advanced health monitoring. The photos of the ring itself match images from generic electronic suppliers, which casts further doubt on originality. Overall, the Velokee Smart Ring presents itself as a high-tech health accessory, but the lack of transparency, questionable claims, and aggressive sales tactics suggest caution. Whether it works as promised or not is still uncertain, but it's clear that buyers should be skeptical and thoroughly research before investing in this device, especially when so many unknowns exist and credible sources are absent. This is definitely a product to watch carefully if you're considering adding it to your tech collection.